Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can log on to interview.com and you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about one of the important Java entry question. Can you make an instance of an abstract class? No, you cannot make an instance of an abstract class. An abstract class has to be subclassed. So the Java compiler expects abstract class to be subclass. Some class should extend it and start using the methods. If you have an abstract class and you want to use a method which has been implemented, you may need to subclass that abstract class, instantiate your subclass, and then call that method. So I have an abstract class here with the abstract signature. Okay, that means this method means this signature means some subclass, some child class should extend this class and give a body for this. If you see, there is no body, whereas other methods has the body and implementation, but for this one we are expecting a subclass to give the specific implementation. And for example, for the demo purpose, I have created an implementer class subclass which extends the abstract class, and I'm creating a body for that method. If I don't give this, compiler will crib. It says you are extending an abstract class, you didn't give an implementation. So this is what the compiler is expecting. Okay, so if you try to instantiate an abstract class directly, it will give you a compile error. It says cannot instantiate an abstract class. So that's why I am using a subclass. If you see this in the left hand side, there is no change here. One in the right hand side, I am trying to push the subclass and I'm able to call this method. Okay, so let me explain it. So in the real world scenario, you will have an account. Okay, you will be having savings account or current account. There is no concept of account directly. So why do we need here? See, these accounts in our Java class we are using because there are common behaviors between current account and savings account. So those common behaviors should move to the base class so that I can reuse the code properly. There will not be any code duplication, and there are some specific things, specific behaviors for savings account and current account. Say for example, current account, the balance should be $10,000. For savings account, it should be $3,000. So there are some specific behaviors for savings account and current account. So for directly I can't have an object of this, so I can't instantiate this. This base class, abstract class, is used for handling the common code between the concrete classes or specific classes. So one is to avoid the code duplication, the other one is programming to an interface. Programming to an interface means, see for example, this syntax account equal to new savings account. Here we are pushing the new object, here we are creating the new object, and left hand side it becomes always same. So I can push this account to calculate interest method, and the calculate interest method signature looks like this. So if you see here, account, so we are not coupling to any of these specific classes. Even if you have the third different class, say a different account, say C account something, so which is related to stock or something, so third account, so I'm not coupling to any of these methods, so it looks abstract. Okay, so I can push savings account to this method, I can push object of the current account to this method. It is decoupled, and it is a good practice for programming to an interface. So please remember, we cannot instantiate an instance of for abstract class. For abstract class you cannot instantiate it. You will be getting a compiler. Hope this video is useful. Thank you and all the best.